Hi and welcome back to more summer fashion here on High Lab Dubai. We take pride in handpicking the most distinctive events in Dubai, and this was surely one of them. Let's step into the world of fashion with Armani Exchange as their spring-summer collection is unveiled at the fabulous Madinat Jumeirah Hotel. Armani Exchange is inspired by street chic culture, fashionable dance music and everything that signifies freedom and personal style. Armani Exchange is the youthful label created by Italian designer and entrepreneur Giorgio Armani. In 1991, Giorgio Armani launched a new retail concept in the Soho district of New York City, interpreting his unique style to create a casual yet sophisticated collection for the young urban set. The collection unveiled was true to its style and consistent of vibrant colors and trends.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Armani Exchange is accessible Armani, and with this label, Mr. Giorgio Armani had aimed to capture the young fashionistas of the world. Hollywood stars like Taylor Swift and Eva Longoria have also been spotted wearing Armani Exchange for their more casual appearances.
Watch! Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out.
The Spring-Summer 2012 collection focused on bright colors to suit the cheerful summer mood, right from emerald to deep blue and burnt orange, and the styles were effortless and easy, all creating the perfect tone for the season. And from here, let's move on to something traditional. With Ramadan just round the corner, we have for you the beautiful collection at Baladies, inspired by the Holy Festival. The new collection at Baladies are created by Meher and Riddhima, Neon Edge, Noosh, Sarayas and the Ahli sisters, and they will all be available at Baladies on the very first day of Ramadan. As we always give you a chance to hear it from the designers themselves, once again it's over to the creative minds behind this beautiful work.
For this Ramadan collection, I wanted to have like jalabiyas, which would bring out the color, because Ramadan this year is like in summer, so it's like a summery Ramadan collection. So works perfectly for me because like colorful colors and summer, perfect thing.
For Ramadan collection, it's mostly elegant and modest, since most of our customers are asking us about Ramadan. So we designed a Ramadan collection. Since we started like 6 months ago, this is our first Ramadan collection. This is our first time to design. So for this Ramadan, since it's a holy month, so we decided to do some modesty in it, like something very modesty and beautiful at the same time.
In store this Ramadan, we have focused on jalabiyas and kaftans. It's an extension of our spring-summer collection to corset Eden.
Of course, for the Ramadan, we have a lot of jalabiyas, kaftans, a lot of flowy silhouettes, very pretty flowy silhouettes and nice chiffons, silk chiffons, and very soft colors.
Hope this inspires you to be fashionably ready in a simple, radiant and modest form during this holy festival. And with that, let's take a short break. See you after the break with a one-on-one chat with none other than Salman Khan. Dubai was abuzz with everything connected with being human. Let's meet the man who started it all, Salman Khan, coming up after this break.